This is Cylinder app and we are team Hello World. Without any delay, let's start our Cylinder 2.0 app. Launching Cylinder app, selecting language Nepali, allowing all permissions. Login screen is in Nepali. Let's change language to English. Login with wrong credentials. Oops, unauthorized member. Now using correct credentials. Let's enable Touch ID. Using fingerprint sensor to login. Oops, wrong fingerprint sensor. Let's use authorized fingerprint. Authentication successful. Entering data to stock. Let's say we are sending gas to reseller. Selecting reseller Manoj Shah. We can see all details regarding Manoj Shah. We can also call them easily. Today we are going to send full regular 20 Prima cylinder to Manoj Shah, and we are going to return leak Kamakhya cylinder, which is 4. Total 24 cylinder is being sent. Amount calculation is multiplied with the rate of reseller and quantity. For now in remarks, I will be writing sending gas cylinder to Manoj Shah. Let's generate receipt now. Receipt looks good. Now let's send message to the reseller. Also we can generate PDF for printing or sharing purposes. We can see receipt has been generated in PDF. This is our dashboard. We can see number of total reseller and who is added latest. We can also see our profit, gas sold, cylinder sold. We can easily call our next order. Best selling shows number of gas sold with line chart. Now moving on to stock, we can see our stock room here and total stock here. We can also edit our stock if necessary. After recorrecting our stock, we can hit tick button which updates stock. Now let's move on to profile. Here we can see reseller profile. As seen in dashboard, there is 8 reseller with latest Ram Bahadur. We can also filter profile with ascending, descending and most sold. Similarly, we can also preview company list with details. And here is member list. Member list consists of admin and employee. Now let's add member. Form validation is done properly. We are going to add employee here with commission rate 7. We can see member added successfully. Now I can give Kiran Shah his username and password. We also get notification on all device when member is added. Here is notification for Wear OS. We can also see Kiran Saha is already added to our member list. We can also log out. Now let's add company. We are adding a name, its registered name to company, and also we are adding reseller, its name. We are also adding reseller name, its store name, phone number, address, and rate of reseller. All data has been added and can be seen in reseller and company list. We can here see Vivek Kirana store already added with its rate. Now we can also see Himalayan gas added to our company list. In notification tab we can see all notification. We get notification if stock is updated, also if new reseller is added. Is scheduled by today and by later, and we can also accept them. We can add extra work for schedule and set date and time for notification. Extra work is added successfully as a reminder for employee to send gas cylinder to the reseller in future. We can also receive gas cylinder from company. Here we can view recently added schedule. And below we can see extra schedule added. Let's move on to unit testing. Now I am going to run add company. Unit testing is passed successfully. Now let's move on to instrumented testing. We can see instrumented testing is running. Now we can see instrumented tested is successful. Lastly, on Wear OS we can see best selling data on watch. Overall we have covered login, dashboard, data entry, notification, sensor implementation, Wear OS and all testings. Thank you.